What's up, guys? Today is Monday. That means it's Cornwell Monday. Mr. Joe's here. Let's take a look at what he's got.
This old man in the country that I know, no money in what he used to grow. No, he don't care what people think. When a farmer turns into a hippie, times are hard in Mississippi.
Look at there.
Okay, I'm gonna make sure that sticks up a little higher here. There we go.
All kind of goodies. Grown-up goodies. All kind of goodies. This is a grown man's candy store. Yep. Yeah, buddy. Got all kind of goodies today.
Yeah, we even got the hook.
Yep. I seen that. If I hadn't bought that Power Probe 4, I would have jumped all over that thing. Alright guys, Mr. Joe's got some pretty cool goodies, so y'all take a look at all of this.
Hey guys, how you doing today? I'm gonna thank all of you for everything. Mechanics are the best people in the world. I had a guy, we'll call him Mr. Curtis from Illinois, text me. He says, Joe, he says, you sure your card ran? I'm pretty sure it did, I tell him. He says, don't look like it did, so I appreciate that, and I really do. And so thank you all. Mr. Curtis, thank you. I got a tool here. If I can figure out how to open it, I guess. It's a fuse buddy.
Relay buddy.
Yes. Now you can plug the relay in and use this to test what's going on, or you can take the relay, plug it into here, it runs a test, it cycles it 10 times, lets you know good, bad, or it gives you a diagnostic code. So you got everything you need to do the most common relays there are, which should save a lot of time and money.
Exactly right. Them things are a pain to check anyway.
So now this can explain a whole lot more what it does a little bit faster, so you can always stop and look, part number, everything on sale 177.
177. All right.
And we had right underneath there our lockout kit. Now it comes with the airbag, a couple wedges, it comes with the strap, it comes with the hook you put together, and it's got, I believe it's 2 different tips. Yeah, I think it's got 2 different type tips for reaching different areas. Part number right here. We got them on sale, 88 bucks.
$88.
You can't go wrong with that.
Yeah,
Because I have guys go out and one night they make more than that in the parking lot.
That's it.
And of course, we got to hit the nothing but heavy duty. We know what that is, Milwaukee.
That's it, Milwaukee.
Handy little carry box. Look at that. Now, we'll open this up later.
Now, this is the only tool that's guaranteed to suck that Milwaukee makes, right?
Guaranteed to suck. The answer is yes.
This thing is pretty cool.
You got a wet dry vac, 18 volt. Pulled my air down. It's stout. Portable. You got the little wad for getting in somewhere. You got the little like regular back type thing. Wet or dry, it's 150. And then you unhook these 2 hooks here. The bottom comes out, it's labeled as 2 gallon. There's a filter in there.
So you can run the hose out here, I guess.
You can.
That's nice right
but
there.
nice and neat, packs away.
That sure will make the Saturday car cleanings easier, wouldn't it?
Saturday, Friday night.
Wouldn't have to worry about.
Quick Thursday when you get back in.
Or if you got kids, leave that baby in the back, because that way you ain't got to pick up Oreos and
Yep.
and
While you're eating, we'll turn
Cheerios.
this on.
There you go. So that's $150 for the Bear tool.
$150 on the Bear too.
That is definitely nice.
So, gets to be anything else you guys need, let me know. Like I said, I appreciate all you guys. Anything I can do for you, let me know.
All right. Well, guys, I'm going to put the picture of the box to the Relay Buddy at the end of this video, and then behind that will be Mr. Joe's
It'll be like here.
card, so that way you guys can take a look at it. As always, thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that thumbs up and subscribe right down here below, and we will catch you guys next time. Y'all have a great one.